articles. The English language has 3 articles, namely a, an, and the. We use the article a before a word which is in the singular form and begins with a consonant. For example, a boat, a puppy. We use the article an before a word which is in the singular form and begins with a vowel. Vowel A, E, I, O, U. For example, an egg, an umbrella. We use the article the before a word denoting a particular object or objects. For example, the Taj Mahal, the dog, the children, the flowers. थँक यू. व्हिडिओ आवडला असल्यास प्लीज लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब